Welcome back my friend in my new and very most informative video. Because of that, in this video I can show you if you have any Samsung smartphone do you have, and after hard reset when you configure your smartphone you forgot your Gmail ID account credential like that and you can't go further. Because of that this page is stuck because of your forgotten Gmail ID account credential. So don't worry at all. In this video I can show you how can you easily unlock your any Samsung model like A series, J series, M series, S series and F series in just only 2 to 5 minutes without using computer and any software tool. So let's start the video first. You can see here this is the Samsung Android smartphone, and if you have any Samsung model, so if you try to enter your any Gmail ID account detail here and you forget it, so after this message you have to go to the home screen. Okay, if you have Android 15, 14, 16, 13, 12, so don't worry at all. If you have latest Android version also, so this method will 100% work into your Samsung Android smartphone. So first of all you have to connect your smartphone with the charging cable. Okay, not with the computer, you have to only connect your charging cable. Because of that this required minimum 50% battery, so you have to connect the charging cable. Okay, after connecting you have to change your language first. Because of that my friend, this is the language section and you have to only select English United States. Okay, and you know very well the Google is also from America, so you have to select the same United States. Click OK. Done. Your smartphone is ready to go further action. So first of all you have to open your emergency calls only page here, and if this page will appear into your screen, you have to type only star hash 0 star and hash, and when you type the hash button you can see here the new page comes into your mobile screen. So first of all my friend, you have to find the sense option named sensor. Okay, this is the option, so you have to click the sensor option here, and you can see here there are lots of sensors are synchronizing here. So you have to wait only 5 seconds. When 5 seconds completed you have to go back. Okay, go back to the main page. Okay, after that my friend you have to start your configuration, and you have to click agree. Here you have to click the first setup manually, and when you comes in the Wi-Fi page you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. This is very necessary, so you have to connect your smartphone with the internet first. After that when you successfully connected you have to click the next button here, and after a few moment your phone is asking to enter your pin pattern password lock. If you forgetted also this, so you have to click only use my Google account instead here. Done. And after that my friend you can see here there are no any skip message, so you have to bring back the skip option in this page, and for that you have to click the keyboard section and click the keyboard icon. This is the setting page. Okay, so you have to click the same. After opening the setting page you can see here there are lots of options, and you have to click the suggest text corrections option here, but you can see here there are no any manage apps option. So go back and go to the first option. This is languages and types, so click here, and here you have to click manage input languages. And after that my friend you can see here there are lots of languages here, but you have to again select the English US only. And okay, and after that you have to click on the UK option also, except all you have to turn off. Okay, and go to the right side corner 3 dot, click check for updates. This is very important, so you have to do the same thing into your locked smartphone. You have to click the update option when update comes, and after a few moments the update will be installed in your phone. Okay, after that go back, and again you have to open suggest text corrections option here, so click here, And after that, my friend, you can see here the manage apps is appear here. So you have to open this. When you open this, you can see here there are lots of options here, but you have to turn off few options like go down, and you have to deselect the Samsung Max VPN, My Galaxy, go down, Samsung Shop, Samsung Wallet, Samsung Switch, Galaxy Store, Galaxy Thing. Okay, after that, my friend, you have to go back, and here go down, and you have to open reset to default settings. If you have two options, do the same thing. If you have four options like that, you have to do the same thing. What think? You have to reset and erase all the options here one by one. This is very important. So done. After that, go back to the main page, home screen of the configuration. When this welcome page comes, okay, you have to arrange any other Android smartphone like that. This is the Android smartphone. So click the start button here on the lock screen, click agree to all, and after that click Galaxy or Android devices, and on another side you have to turn on you have to open this Samsung smartphone. Okay, after that, my friend, if you can go back again, click start, agree, Galaxy or Android devices, but you see here there are no any notification appear. So go the click agree and wait for a few seconds. Okay, go the setting, go to Google, you have to click setup and restore. You have to click setup nearby devices, click the next button here, go back, Galaxy on Android devices, next, and all done, my friend. You can see here your Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked now, and you can see here this is the skip message, and after doing all the setups, the skip message comes in this page. Means you can easily unlock your Samsung smartphone by using this offline service center amazing method. So you have to click only this skip message, skip again, click don't copy here, skip again, skip anyway. And if you have any type of queries regarding this method, you have to only comment your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply to you within 5 to 10 minutes. But you have to comment us with your specific Samsung model name by subscribe our YouTube channel. Then 100% our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone at your home. Okay, so you have to follow all these steps one by one. Don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to learn how can you unlock any Samsung Android smartphone. And this method is very easy and effective method. So you have to follow all these methods one by one and apply your into your locked Samsung smartphone. After a few time, you can recover your Samsung Android smartphone like that. And this is very easy and effective method, so you can use it. And this method is fully free and free of cost. You can unlock your smartphone at your home. And you can see here, my friend, this Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked now. You can sign in with the new Gmail ID account credential into this Samsung smartphone, and you have to set a new pin pattern password lock within 10 minutes. This is very important. If your smartphone is unlocked now by using this method, you have to configure a new type of pin pattern password lock. Like that, I am going to configure a new type of lock. This is pattern, and you have to configure all the setups one by one. And you can see here your Samsung smartphone is unlocked now by using this amazing service center method. If you have any type of queries regarding this method, comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel, and please comment your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply within 10 minutes so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.